Hi, it's me. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about ocean animals. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be notified whenever we upload new videos. You can also leave a comment below to let me know which ocean animal is your favorite. Now let's meet some ocean animals. First, we have a clownfish. Clownfish live in the warm waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. They can be found in groups swimming around coral. They usually have a bright orange color with white lines and fins. They can grow up to 12 inches long. Some clownfish are male, while others are female. Both males and females lay eggs. They do this by releasing their eggs into the water. When the eggs hatch, tiny baby clownfish will emerge. They will live among the stinging cells of the coral. The coral protects them from predators, and the clownfish will eat the coral's leftovers. Clownfish are one of the most popular fish in the sea. They're known for being friendly and curious. They're also social animals who like to live in groups. Next we have a starfish. Starfish are found in all of the world's oceans. They can be many different colors, such as red, blue, green, brown, or purple. Most starfish have 5 arms, but some may have many more. A starfish's skeleton is made up of many small plates called osteoderms. These plates are connected together by tough skin. This helps protect the starfish from predators. Starfish do not have brains, but they are very smart. They can learn to solve problems and remember things. Starfish can also regenerate their arms if they are bitten off by a predator. It takes about a year for the arms to fully regrow. If you ever see a starfish, be sure to admire its beauty. It's truly a one-of-a-kind animal. Next we have a jellyfish. Jellyfish come in all shapes and sizes. They can be found in both salt and fresh water. A jellyfish has a bell-shaped body. It also has long flowing tentacles. These tentacles can be used for swimming and catching food. Jellyfish have stinging cells. They use these cells to protect themselves from predators. If you ever touch a jellyfish, you could get stung. Some jellyfish are small and only a few inches in diameter. Others can be over 100 feet wide. Jellyfish have been around for a very long time. They first appeared in the ocean about 500 million years ago. That's much older than any dinosaur. There are many different types of jellyfish, and new ones are still being discovered. One day you might even discover a new type of jellyfish. Next we have a whale. Whales are the largest animals in the ocean. They can be found in all of the world's oceans. Whales are mammals. This means that they breathe air and give birth to live babies. Whales also produce milk to feed their young. Whales have a thick layer of fat. This fat helps keep them warm in cold water. Whales use their tails to swim. Their tails can beat up and down very fast, allowing them to swim at incredible speeds. Whales can also make a loud noise. This sound is used to communicate with other whales. Whales are in danger of becoming extinct. People hunt them for their meat and oil. Pollution and global warming are also hurting whales. We need to do more to protect these amazing creatures. Finally, we have a shark. Sharks are found in all of the world's oceans. They can be many different sizes. Some sharks are very small, while others are huge. A shark's body is made up of cartilage. This is the same substance that makes your nose and ears. Sharks have sharp teeth. They use their teeth to eat fish and other animals. Sharks also have gills. These gills allow them to breathe underwater. Sharks are predators, but they're also very graceful. They're one of the most feared animals in the ocean, and for good reason, too. Sharks can be dangerous to humans, but most sharks are not aggressive. They only attack if they feel threatened. Which ocean animal was your favorite? Let me know in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.